What is reflection of light? When light rays fall on an object, the direction changes and they turn back. This is called the reflection of light. Fit a white paper tightly over a table for screen. Take a cardboard and cut 2 slits on it so that light can only pass through the open portion. Adjust the board and torch so as to get light rays on the screen. Now keep a mirror in the path of this ray of light as shown. In this activity, light rays which fall on the mirror get reflected and travel in a different direction. The rays falling on any surface are called incident rays. The point at which an incident ray falls is called the point of incidence. The rays going away from the surface after reflection are called reflected rays. Now let's learn laws of reflection. To see the path of light rays, we use acrylic sheet and laser light. Here O is the point of incidence, AO is the incident ray, and OB is the reflected ray. A perpendicular to the mirror at point of incidence O is called as normal to the mirror. Here ON is the normal. The angle AON between incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence, and the angle BON between the reflected ray and the normal is the angle of reflection. Laws of reflection. There are 3 laws of reflection. First law. The angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. You can see this in the video. To learn the second law, we see the experiment from side angle. Second law. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. Third law. The incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. Lateral inversion, left-right reversal. The phenomenon where our left appears as the right in a mirror is referred to as lateral inversion. Lateral inversion occurs due to the front-back reversal. You can see this in the video.